Welcome to my YouTube channel, Shari's Math Academy. Today I'm doing the grade 8 confirm list. Actually, in this video, I'm doing two lessons because both are going together. Fractions 1 and 2, 13th chapter and the 14th chapter. Okay, fractions 1 and 2 are both in this video. Right. First, we'll go to the 13th chapter, fractions 1. Fractions 1. Okay. Right. Under this chapter, we are learning multiplication of fractions. This is the first time we are learning multiplication. So easy, not like addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction, we have to make the same denominators. But here, we do the cancelling. I call that as cut and chop. Right? We can do the cancellation with numerator and a denominator. Right? Denominator or numerator. Look at this example. Right? Look at this example. 3 over 5 multiplication 8. Multiplication by a whole number. Right? Now you can't cancel any numerators and denominators. Not matching. So just multiply 3 into 8. 3 into this 10. Now this is 10. 3 over 5 into 10. You can cancel these two. 5 and 2. Look at the first example. 3 over 5 into 10. You can cancel 5 times 1, 5 times 2. Then you write the remaining parts. Multiply. 3 into 2, 6. Bottom you get 1. Normally you don't write 1. The final answer is 6. We'll go to the second one. 1 over 4 into 7. Nothing to cancel. Then we just keep and multiply. That's all. Multiply the numerator. 7 into 1, 7 over 4. But here you have got an improper fraction. And normally we don't keep the improper fractions. Then 7 you divide by 4. 4 times 1, 4. 3 is remaining. Then once aside, I have taught in grade 7 how to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number. I assume you can understand that. We'll go to the next one. Multiplication fraction by the fraction. Right, now look at this 5 over the same way, right? No need to convert the same denominator, 8, 2 over 15. Right? Then you can cancel 2 times 1, 2 times 4. 5 times 1, 5 times 3. What is remaining now? On top you get 1, 1, 1, 4 into 3, 12. 1 over 12. Right? Next one, multiplying a mixed number by a fraction. Right? 3, 1 over 5, multiplication 5 over 8. Now the first step, when you have a mixed number, convert into an improper fraction. That is 16 over 5 into 5 over 8. Then 5 you can cancel. 8 times 1, 8 times 2. On top you get 2, bottom 1. That means the final answer is 2. Got it? Next one, the next, all the types are done with the same way. Multiplying a mixed number by a mixed number. Now look at this example. I have done it here, but anyway, I'll write it again. 3, 1 over 5, multiplication 1, 2 over 8. The first step you convert into an improper fraction. 10 over 8. Now simplify. 5 times 1, 5 times 2. 8 times 1, 8 times 2. On top you get 4 over 1, that means 4. I assume you can understand this multiplication of fraction lesson, right? Okay, just do the cut and chop. We'll move on to the division, the next chapter, that is 14th chapter. 14th chapter. Right. Before we do the 14th chapter, you must know a new word called reciprocal. Right? Reciprocal means when you make the fraction upside down, that's the reciprocal of this fraction. You need this reciprocal for division. That's why we are learning that. 2 over 3. Then when you make upside down, 3 over 2. That's all. That's the reciprocal. Now 1, 2 over 3. You have a mixed number. When you have a mixed number, you convert into improper. 3 times 1, 3 plus 2, 5 over 3. The next part of that, the reciprocal, that is 3 over 5. Then 5. Right? You can write 5 as a fraction, 5 over 1. You can convert that as 1 over 5. That's the reciprocal of 5. 1 over 3. The reciprocal of this is 3. 3 over 1, that is 3. That is about the reciprocal, right? Why we learn the reciprocal? Because you need the reciprocal to do the division. Right. We'll see how to do a division sum. That the first part, division of fraction by a whole number. Right. How we are going to divide? Now look at this. Actually, in mathematics, there is no division. We assume 2 over 5 division 6. When you have a division question, we convert this into multiplication. Then first fraction as it is. We don't do anything to first fraction. Division will become multiplication. Then 1 over 6. 6. Actually, 6 you can write as well. 6 over 1. What's the reciprocal of 6? 1 over 6. I converted division as multiplication. Now you know the multiplication very well. So you can do according to the multiplication sum. And you can do the cut and chop. Right. On top you get 1 into 1, 1. 5 times 3, 15. Is that understood? Right. Now we'll go to the next part. Next part. Division of fractions. By a fraction. Now earlier we did the whole number by a fraction. Now look at this 5 over 8. Division 10 over 12. Now 5 over 8 is here. Division becomes multiplication. Right? This is at the same time when you convert into multiplication, at the same time the left right hand side number will become its reciprocal. Now 5 times 1, 5, 5 times 2. Then 4 times 3, 4 times 4. Again, you can divide 4 and 3, 2 and 4, 2. On top you get 2, bottom you get 3. Okay? Okay. We'll do this sum. This is division sum. 5 over 8. 5 over 8. Multiplication. Then 12 over 10. Then 5 times 1, 5 times 2. We'll divide this by 4. 4 times 2, 4 times 3. Can you simplify this further? No. 3 times 1, 3. 2 times 2, 4. I assume you can understand. Next topic, division of fraction by a mixed number. We'll see how to divide a fraction by a mixed number. Look at the question. 7, 1 over 2, division 1, 1 over 3. 2 times 6, 2 times 7 is 14, 15 over 2. Division 3 times 1, 3 plus 1, 4 over 3. Okay, 4 over 3. After that, keep the whole number as it is. And this should be 3. Yeah? Division 3 over 4. 3 over 4. 3 over 4. Can you simplify this further? No. This is the final answer. You can't simplify this further. Then you just keep replying. 45, that is 8. Then 8 times, when you divide, 8 times 4 is 30, 35. 8 times 5 is 40. 5 is remaining. That's how you write as a mixed number. Yes. Now we'll go to the next example. 5 over 8. Now look at this 5 over 8. Now there is a fraction. When you multiply the fraction by its reciprocal, look at this fraction, right? Always you get 1. 1 time 8 times 1, 1. 1, 5 times 1, 1. 5 times 1, 1. On top 1 over 1, that is 1. Right? When we get 1 when fraction is multiplied by its reciprocal. Right? Always keep that in mind. That's like as a fact. Okay, I assume you can understand in this video. I have done 2 theories, multiplication of fractions and division of fractions. Right? Thank you for watching my video.